Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to download a Google Photos album. Start by opening your web browser and search takeout.google.com and press enter. On the Takeout page, you might see a list of Google services. Click on Deselect All to unselect everything. Scroll down the page until you find Google Photos. Check the box next to it to choose Google Photos for the export. Continue scrolling down to the end of the page and click on Next Step. In this step, you can select how often you want to export your Google Photos. Choose the frequency that suits your preference. Now you can decide the type of files you want, for example, zip, and the size of each file. Adjust these settings based on your preferences. After selecting the file type, you can specify the size of each exported file. Pick the size that works best for you. Just click Create Export and Google will start making a copy of your Google Photos data. It is important to note that this process can take a significant amount of time, possibly hours or even days. Google will send you an email when the export is complete. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.